In this walkthrough, we will configure a new Azure IoT Hub in Azure Portal, and then authenticate a connection to an IoT device using the online Raspberry Pi device simulator. Sensor data and messages are passed from the Raspberry Pi simulator to your Azure IoT Hub, and you view metrics for the messaging activity in Azure Portal. Task 1. Create an IoT Hub. Sign into the Azure Portal. From the All Services blade, search for and select IoT Hub and then click +Add, +Create, +New. In the tier field, use the drop-down to select Free. Click the Review + Create button. Wait until the Azure IoT Hub instance is deployed. Task 2. Add an IoT device. When the deployment has completed, click Go to Resource from the Deployment blade. Alternatively, from the All Services blade, search for and select IoT Hub and locate your new IoT Hub instance. To add a new IoT device, scroll down to the Device Management section and click Devices. Then, click +Add Device. If you do not see your new device, refresh the IoT Devices page. Select My Raspberry Pi and copy the primary connection string value. You will use this key in the next task to authenticate a connection to the Raspberry Pi simulator. Task 3. Test the device using a Raspberry Pi simulator. Open a new tab in the web browser and type this shortcut link https://aka.ms/rasppi. It will take you to a Raspberry Pi simulator site. If you have time, read about the Raspberry Pi simulator. When done, select X to close the pop-up window. In the code area on the right side, locate the line with const connection string equals. Replace it with the connection string you copied from the Azure portal. Note that the connection string includes the device ID, My Raspberry Pi, and shared access key entries. Click Run, below the code area, to run the application. The console output should show the sensor data and messages that are sent from the Raspberry Pi simulator to your Azure IoT Hub. Data and messages are sent each time the Raspberry Pi simulator LED flashes. Click Stop to stop sending data. Return to the Azure portal. Switch the IoT Hub overview blade and scroll down to the IoT Hub usage information to view usage. Change your time frame in the Show Data for Last to see data in the last hour. You have set up Azure IoT Hub to collect sensor data from an IoT device.